Welcome. In this video, we are going to perform object detection using the official YOLOV7. At the time of recording this video, YOLOV7 is the latest version from YOLO family and has surpassed all the previous object detection models, not only in accuracy but also speed. Another interesting thing is that it is the first YOLO version which can be used for instant segmentation and post-estimation as well. But in this video, we will only perform object detection with the pre-trained YOLOV7. So let's get started. First of all, we need to install the required packages, and for this we will go to the official YOLOV7 repository. And here if we scroll down, then we will find a file requirement.txt. It has the name of all the required packages. Just click on it. Then we will click on raw button and then we will copy the URL. After this we will come back to the code editor, and in the terminal we will write pip install -r and then we will paste the link. Just press enter and this will install all the required packages. Now just to save the time, I have already installed these packages, but for you they are going to be installed if you are doing this first time. Now after this we need to clone the repository. So for this, here I will go back. We will click on code, and from here you can download the zip file and extract it into your project directory. Otherwise, if you have git installed, then just copy this link and then we will come back to the code editor. And in the terminal we will write git clone and then just paste the link. On entering this command, this will clone the repository. Now it is going to take some time, so I will pause the recording here, and when it is done we will continue from there. Okay, now the repository has been cloned. The next step is to download the pre-trained weights, and for this again we will go to the YOLOV7 repository. Here we will click on releases, then assets, and here you can find different pre-trained models available. I'm going to use the smallest model, which is this one, YOLOV7 Tiny. So I will just click on it and it will be downloaded in the system. Now once it is downloaded, then we will move it to our project directory. After this we will come back to the code editor. Now here you can see a folder YOLOV7, which is actually the clone repository. Inside it there is a file detect.py. We are going to use this file to perform object detection. So in the terminal I will write python and then I will give the path to this file. And after this we need to give some important parameters. So here I will write weights, and then I will give the weight file, which is YOLOV7 Tiny, and then I will write source, and here you can give any image file or a video file, or if you want to use it with your webcam, then you can write here 0, but I'm going to use the image file. So for this is the image file I have, and here I will give the name of this file. Now after this there are some optional parameters which you can set. So let me show you. Here you can find different parameters. Now for example, let's say we want to set the confidence threshold. So for that, here I can write conf thresh, and then let's set the value to 0.4. Now I will just press enter and this will perform the inference. Now the inference is done and there should be a new folder in the project directory which is runs. Just open it, and here is an image file. I will open it and it has the result of detection. But perhaps you cannot see it clearly because the bounding boxes are very thin and the text is very small. So what can I do is that I will go back. Here in this code, I will make some change. In the line number 128, I will set the line thickness to 2. Now I will run the code again in the same way. Now there should be a new folder, this one exp2, and it has the new results. And here you can see the results of detection. Our model has detected the objects which are person and the cars, and it has done that with very high accuracy and confidence even though we are using the smallest version of YOLOV7. Now let's try it on a video file. So for this is the video file I have, and again I'm going to use the same command, but here I will replace the image with the video file. Okay, this is performing the inference. It will take some time because it will cover all the frames of the video. So again I will pause the recording, and when the inference is done, we will continue from there. Now the inference is done. And there is a new folder exp3 and it has a video file. If I open it, you can see the results. It is again performing well, but there are some false positives like this one. Anyway, this is how we can perform object detection using YOLOV7. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.